Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase real estate listings with eXp Realty, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by familiarizing yourself with eXp Realty's unique business model. Understanding the cloud-based nature of eXp can give you an advantage. Utilize the comprehensive training resources available through eXp Realty. Participate in webinars and workshops to expand your knowledge. Connect with successful agents within the eXp Realty network. Building relationships can lead to valuable insights and strategies. Create a strong online presence through social media channels. Share informative content related to real estate trends and tips. Use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn effectively. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages promptly. Implement targeted online advertising to reach potential clients. Consider using Facebook ads to promote listings in your area. Leverage your existing network to generate referrals. Reach out to past clients and ask for recommendations. Optimize your listings with professional photos and engaging descriptions. Ensure that every listing showcases its unique features compellingly. Host virtual open houses to attract more viewers to your listings. Utilize eXp's technology tools for showcasing properties. Stay updated on market trends to price your listings competitively. Regularly monitor local housing market data for informed decision-making. Consider investing in video marketing for your listings. Create walkthrough videos to give potential buyers a virtual tour. Utilize email marketing to reach out to potential clients regularly. Collaborate with local businesses for cross-promotion opportunities. Partnering can help expand your reach and access new clientele. Get involved in community events to increase visibility. Establishing a local presence can enhance your reputation. Track your progress and analyze the effectiveness of your strategies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.